Where are you travelling to?
I'm going to London.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have a visa?
Yes, it's in my passport.
How many bags are you checking in?
Just one suitcase.
Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes, a small backpack.
Can I see your ticket, please?
Sure, here it is.
Would you like a window or aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Do you have any liquids in your bag?
No, I don't.
Can you place your bag on the scale?
Of course.
Your bag is overweight.
Oh no, what should I do?
You can remove some items or pay extra.
I'll remove some items.
Do you have any prohibited items?
No, I don't.
Would you like to upgrade your seat?
No, economy is fine.
How would you like to pay for extra baggage?
I'll use my credit card.
Here's your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Your flight departs from gate 12.
Got it. Thanks.
Boarding starts at 6 p.m.
I'll be there on time.
Do you need assistance?
No, I'm fine.
Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I do.
Are you traveling alone?
No, with my family.
How long is your trip?
2 weeks.
Are you carrying any fragile items?
Yes, a glass souvenir.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Have you been to London before?
No, it's my first time.
Do you want a meal on the flight?
Yes, a vegetarian meal, please.
Are you carrying any pets?
No, I'm not.
Here's your luggage tag.
Thank you.
Have a safe flight.
Thanks a lot.
Enjoy your trip.
I will. Thanks.
Don't forget to go through security.
I'll do that now.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What's his name?
His name is Ryan.
How did you meet?
We met in school.
How long have you been friends?
For almost 10 years.
What do you like about him?
He is kind and funny.
Do you see him often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
What do you usually do together?
We play video games and watch movies.
What's your favorite memory with him?
Our road trip last summer.
Does he have the same hobbies as you?
Yes, we both love sports.
Do you ever fight?
Sometimes, but we always make up.
What's the funniest thing he has done?
He once danced in the rain.
Is he a good listener?
Yes, he always gives great advice.
What's his favorite food?
He loves pizza.
Does he like traveling?
Yes, we travel together often.
What's his biggest dream?
To start his own business.
Is he older or younger than you?
He's the same age as me.
Does he have any pets?
Yes, he has a dog.
Have you ever taken a trip?
Yes, we went to the beach last year.
What's his favorite movie?
He loves action movies.
Do you tell him all your secrets?
Yes, I trust him completely.
What does he do for work?
He's a graphic designer.
Does he like reading books?
Yes, he reads a lot.
What do you usually talk about?
Everything life, work and dreams.
Have you ever surprised him?
Yes, on his birthday.
What's one thing you admire about him?
His positive attitude.
Do you think you'll be friends forever?
Yes, definitely.
Does he support your goals?
Always, he encourages me a lot.
What's one thing he always says?
Never give up.
How would you describe him in one word?
Loyal.
Are you lucky to have him as a best friend?
Yes, very lucky.
Hi, I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Hi Jake, I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Is this your first day here?
Yes, I just joined today.
What's your position?
I'm a marketing assistant. You?
I work in the sales department.
That sounds interesting.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. You?
I'm from Chicago. Do you like the city?
Yes, but I'm still exploring.
How was your first day so far?
It's been good but a bit overwhelming.
Don't worry, you'll get used to.
Thanks, that's reassuring.
Have you met our manager yet?
Yes, he seems really nice.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
There's a great coffee shop nearby.
That sounds great. Let's go sometime.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and hiking. You?
I enjoy playing basketball.
That's cool.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, about 15 minutes away.
How do you get to work?
I take the subway. You?
I drive to work.
That must be convenient.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and jazz. You?
I enjoy rock music.
Nice.
Have you tried the cafeteria food?
Not yet. Is it good?
It's decent, but there are better places nearby.
Good to know.
Do you prefer working in teams or alone?
I like working in teams. You?
Same. It makes work more fun.
Totally agree.
What's your favorite part of the job so far?
Meeting new people like you.
That's a great answer.
Thanks.
Let's grab coffee after work.
Sounds like a plan.
How much does this cost?
It's $20.
You have this in a different color.
Yes, we have it in red and black.
Can I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 30 days with the receipt.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It's just outside the store on the left.
Could you gift wrap this?
Sure. It will take a few minutes.
How do I get to the bus station?
Walk straight for 2 blocks, and you'll see it on your right.
Is this item available online?
Yes, you can order it from our website.
What time does the store close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Can I get this delivered?
Yes, we offer free home delivery.
Do you sell groceries here?
No, but there's a supermarket nearby.
How much does this weigh?
It weighs about 2 kilograms.
Can I see another size?
Certainly, I'll bring it for you.
Travel and transportation. When does the next train leave?
It leaves at 3:30 p.m.
How much is the ticket to Daman?
It's 15 reals for one-way ticket.
Where is the bus stop?
It's just across the street.
Can I rent a car here?
Yes, there's a rental service nearby.
How far is the airport?
It's about 15 kilometers from here.
What's the best way to get to Daman?
You can take a taxi or the subway.
Is this the train to Daman?
Yes, it is.
Can I take my bike on this train?
Yes, but there's a small fee.
Do I need to book tickets in advance?
It's recommended, especially during peak hours.
How long does the journey take?
It takes about 2 hours.
Is there a direct flight to Riyadh?
Yes, there's one at 5 p.m.
Can you call a cab for me?
Sure, I'll call one right away.
Where can I find a map?
There's one at the information desk.
Do you have Wi-Fi on this train?
Yes, it's free for all passengers.
Is there a restroom on the bus?
Yes, it's at the back.
How far is the bus stop from here?
It's about a 5-minute walk from this location.
What's the best way to get to the city centre?
You can take the metro. It's fast and convenient.
What time does the last bus leave?
The last bus departs at 11 p.m.
Are there any discounts for students?
Yes. Students can get a 10% discount with an ID card.
Shopping and directions. How much is this shirt?
It's $20.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Yes. We have size small available.
Where can I find the electronics section?
It's on the 2nd floor.
Can I return this item?
Yes, within 30 days with the receipt.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, there's a 10% discount on all clothing.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is accepted.
Do you sell gift cards?
Yes, we have gift cards starting from $10.
Can you deliver this to my house?
Yes, we offer home delivery for an extra fee.
What time does the store open?
We open at 9 a.m.
Is there a parking lot here?
Yes, there's free parking at the back.
Can I try these shoes on?
Of course, the fitting area is over there.
Where's the cashier?
It's near the exit.
Do you sell international products?
Yes, we have a section for imported items.
Are these fruits fresh?
Yes, they were delivered this morning.
Where's the nearest grocery store?
It's 2 blocks away.
Can I get this wrapped as a gift?
Sure. We offer free gift wrapping.
How far is the shopping mall from here?
It's about 3 miles away.
Do you accept returns without a receipt?
No. A receipt is required for all returns.
Are there any seasonal sales?
Yes, our winter sale starts next week.
Can you show me more options?
Sure. Let me bring some more items for you.
Is there a place to sit while shopping?
Yes, there are benches near the entrance.
How can I get to the nearest pharmacy?
Walk straight and take the first right.
Can I buy this online?
Yes, it's available on our website.
What's the return policy?
You can return items within 30 days with a receipt.
Do you sell batteries?
Yes, they're in aisle 4.
Where is the food court?
It's on the 2nd floor, near the elevators.
How do I get to the restrooms?
They're down the hall, to the left.
Can you tell me where the ATM is?
It's next to the main entrance.
Where can I find the information desk?
It's in the center of the mall.
Is there a bookstore here?
Yes, it's on the 3rd floor near the escalators.
How can I get to the parking area?
Take the escalator down to the basement.
Where is the nearest coffee shop?
It's right by the entrance to the east wing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.